Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. If you're returning to my channel, thank you as always. And for my new subscribers, thank you, I really appreciate it. So today I have, wherever it is, let's see, a Fashom unboxing. This is my second one. The first one was a total disaster for me. Probably not their fault, just sizing issues. But before I get into this box, I want to go over just a couple things. I have been on my doctor diet. I call it a doctor diet because I go through my doctor since probably the middle of December. And I have lost 13 pounds and a bunch of inches. So it's really exciting. My son's getting married at the end of April, so I'm trying to fit into a mother of the groom dress. So that's my goal. The other thing is for clothing boxes. I watch a lot of YouTubers' clothing boxes, and I do a bunch myself. And I have found the shapewear to be the best that you can get. I have looked all over for many, many years to find something that's gonna kind of suck in and get rid of the rolls. And I was watching a bunch of YouTubers were doing it, and it was coming all over my Facebook. So I decided to try it. So it is the Shapermint. They come in, I think, black and nude, and I think now they have bras and all sorts of stuff. But I find this the best. It doesn't roll down. So I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. Again, this is my second box. Fashom is a monthly subscription box, and I know you're going to want to know how much it is. I think you can try it for the first couple months, and then they waive the styling fee. So it's Better As I Am. And then after that, I think the styling fee goes to maybe $15 a month. I'll list everything below, as I always do, with a link. So this is the invoice. The thing about Fashom is you go and you fill out a survey like most of the boxes, your sizes, your height, weight, all that kind of stuff. And then they let you preview before they send it to you. So if there's nothing that you like in there, you can start all over. Or if there's a few things that you like in there, you can keep those, and then they'll put other pieces in the box. So it's really nice in that way. Free return envelope, free shipping both ways, and of course it comes nicely packaged. And I ordered it a while ago. It's actually been sitting for a while too, so I got to remember what was in there. I do remember there was a pair of jeans, and these are D jeans, moderate fit, size 8. They're a high waist skinny boot. And I'm always looking for a good boot cut pair of jeans, and it just seems they're very hard to find these days. So this is what they look like. They definitely look like they're going to be long enough, especially with my boots. And they're just plain basic pair of jeans, and that's what the bottom looks like. So I'm excited to try these on because they look like a keeper. The next thing in the box, it looks all wrinkled, is, looks like it might be by Fashom. It's the Forgotten Gray, size large, and it looks like it's a green with a little tie. The sleeves are nice. but I think these tops, they get a little clingy on me, even with my shapewear, so I'll have to see how it fits. And the next thing in the box looks like it's by Fashom as well. It's Paper Moon, and it's really cute. It's got the gray with some flowers. That's what the back looks like. So that'll be nice. And the next thing, oh, another pair of pants. They're cut from the cloth, Donald ankle skinny in a size 8. And I got a pair, I'm not sure if it was by them or by Stitch Fix, but they were too small for me. So I have been looking for another pair. And these look really nice. So it's nice that I got 2 pairs of pants. And there's one more thing in the box. It's Renee C. It's just a long sleeve top. I don't really own any of these, but this one looks nice, and I could probably wear a tank underneath. So let's just look at the invoice. The subtotal of this would be $224 if you keep 3 items. So you only have to keep 3 items, which is great. You get a 25% discount. So they would take $56. So for this 5 items, the total would be $168, which is not bad for 5 items. So I'm going to go do the try-on, and then I'll give the price of the individual pieces. So I'll be right back. Hello, I am back with my try-on. I didn't put any eye makeup on because we went out yesterday in the desert and my eyes are still very dry and full of sand. So the first outfit that I have on is the long sleeve twist front top in olive in a size large, and it's $40. I'm surprised. I normally don't like olive on me, but this one looks very nice. It does wrinkle, so I can tell after I wash it, I am going to have to take my little iron thingy and take the wrinkles out. But I do kind of like this top, except like today, it was almost 80 today, so I just don't see myself wearing it that much. I paired it with the back flap pocket skinny boot cut jeans in a size 8, and they are only $38. Okay, $38 for a pair of jeans is super affordable. So these are the jeans. I think they fit pretty good. I don't have a belt or anything on, and I do have a pair of boots. They're stretchy enough so that I might be able to get over the bike, because that's why I'm buying them. So let me know what you think of this outfit. And also, I don't know if you can see, I put my ball thing on there that I got from my vacation crate. It didn't go over really big when he saw them, but I'm actually going to be putting them on my vacation bag to Mexico. And for all of those that are wondering why I have a bike in my living room, I actually, when we decided to move in together, I wanted to move into my house. It's a cute 3-bedroom, huge backyard, really nice house. But because he has all the toys at his house, he's like, no, you move in with me. So this is one of 3 motorcycles that he has. We have this one here, and we have 2 up in Washington, but no, they're not in the living room up there. So I just wanted to explain why I have this bike. We don't have a garage out here, so he doesn't want anybody to take the bike, so it's in the living room. Thank God it's not in the bedroom and doesn't sleep with us. So I will be right back with the next try-on. Okay, I am back with the next top. I kept the jeans on because I want to see how they stretch out. And I am wearing the Renee C long sleeve plaid button down top in a medium. It's $44. I don't own any tops like this, but this one is really cute. I don't know if you can see it. I know a lot of you like tuck their tops in. I just think my stomach's too big to do that. But this top is super, super comfortable. I could probably throw a black tank on it. I know Kelly, she is a fashionista, and she always styles her tops. So I'm not sure if I can get away with just kind of tying it up at the bottom here. But again, let me know what you think. I'll be right back with the last outfit. I am back with the last outfit. I am wearing the Paper Moon Isabella floral print top in a large in charcoal, and it's $33. Let me know what you think. Again, another long sleeve top at this time of year, but for the price. So let me know what you think, if you like it. And I paired it with the cut from the cloth Donna ankle skinny pants in an 8 in wine, and they're $69. The problem I have with the pants is they're great with boots, but they're a little short when I take the boots off. So I don't know, they're not really a summer color, so to wear them with sandals, but let me know what you think. And of course I'll probably knock down the bike as I kind of show you. So let me know what you think of this outfit. I'm not really sure if I'm a flower person, so give me your comments. I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. I'm outside, a beautiful day. I went to film outside before, but there had to be about 40 side-by-side and quads, desert vehicles that were going by in maybe some sort of parade, so it was very loud out here. So let's get to the recap. If I bought everything, it would be $168. With Fashom, you only need to buy 3 items to get a discount, which is really great. So I am thinking to get the bootcut jeans. They were $38. You cannot beat that price. I'm wearing the 8, but as I was wearing them, they just started to like bag out on the top, and you know how you get like the butt is falling in the back kind of look. So I might exchange those for a 6. I like the Renee C long sleeve top. That was $44. And the cut from the cloth and the wine, I'm just not sure I would get that much use out of them. But let me know what you think of this sweater, because I could get the jeans, the Renee C, and this sweater was only $33, and then with 25% off. I'm just not sure if florals are working for me. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought of this. Again, this was my second one, so I'm really impressed because they're really getting to know me. So you guys, as always, have a great day.